Yep. Hey guys, we're over in Western Australia, my hometown. We've come over for a wedding, so we got a few more extra days here to explore. In the south of Perth at the moment, in Dunsborough, and we're going to go back to Perth in a few days and see some of Perth as well.
Born over a fault line, bad teeth and worse habits.
So for the first couple of days it was pretty chilled. We were just checking out some of the beaches and going to a few of the spots that I'd never seen before.
Cracking like a glacier, any semblance of restraint. Simple observations.
I'm not exaggerating when I say that most of Western Australian beaches look like these ones. You've just got endless options when it comes to these white sand natural beaches.
I get in my own way. 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 Amplified washes, glass up in the sand, panning through the static.
As well as its beautiful beaches, Dunsborough is also known for its surfing.
The sound
I've
of
had some of the best surfs in my life out here, but unfortunately this day was not one of them.
underneath the bleachers, on the fringes of the game, chanting combinations of some tired out complaints.
So our last weekend in Perth was Easter weekend, and as most holidays are spent in Perth, we headed out on the boat. One thing I love about Perth is having a boat is almost as common as having a car, and for me personally it's the best way to experience it.